kids, welcome to our alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to go on a journey to find letters. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you spot the letter A? Yes, you got it. That is the letter A. A is for apple. Can you say A? Can you spot the letter B? Yes, you got it. That is the letter B. B is for bird. Can you say B? Can you spot the letter C? Yes, you got it. That is the letter C. C is for corn. Can you say C? Can you spot the letter D? Yes, you got it. That is the letter D. D is for doctor. Can you say D? Can you spot the letter E? Yes, you got it. That is the letter E. E is for eraser. Can you say E? Can you spot the letter F? Yes, you got it. That is the letter F. F is for flower. Can you say F? Can you spot the letter G? Yes, you got it. That is the letter G. G is for gift. Can you say G? Can you spot the letter H? Yes, you got it. That is the letter H. H is for house. Can you say H? Can you spot the letter I? Yes, you got it. That is the letter I. I is for ice. Can you say I? Can you spot the letter J? Yes, you got it. That is the letter J. J is for jam. Can you say J? Can you spot the letter K? Yes, you got it. That is the letter K. K is for key. Can you say K? Can you spot the letter L? Yes, you got it. That is the letter L. L is for lollipop. Can you say L? Can you spot the letter M? Yes, you got it. That is the letter M. M is for mountain. Can you say M? Can you spot the letter N? Yes, you got it. That is the letter N. N is for nest. Can you say N? Can you spot the letter O? Yes, you got it. That is the letter O. O is for owl. Can you say O? Can you spot the letter P? Yes, you got it. That is the letter P. P is for popcorn. Can you say P? Can you spot the letter Q? Yes, you got it. That is the letter Q. Q is for question. Can you say Q? Can you spot the letter R? Yes, you got it. That is the letter R. R is for rabbit. Can you say R? Can you spot the letter S? Yes, you got it. That is the letter S. S is for star. Can you say S? Can you spot the letter T? Yes, you got it. That is the letter T. T is for tent. Can you say T? Can you spot the letter U? Yes, you got it. That is the letter U. U is for uniform. Can you say U? Can you spot the letter V? Yes, you got it. That is the letter V. V is for vase. Can you say V? Can you spot the letter W? Yes, you got it. That That is the letter W. W is for water. Can you say W? Can you spot the letter X? Yes, you got it. That is the letter X. X is for X-ray. Can you say X? Can you spot the letter Y? Yes, you got it. That is the letter Y. Y is for yak. Can you say Y? Can you spot the letter Z? Yes, you got it. That is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Can you say Z?
Great job, super readers! Now you know all 26 letters of the alphabet. Keep practicing and soon you'll be reading and writing like a pro. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.